Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a privacy policy to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you two ways to add two very important privacy policies depending on your area and the legality you're working under. So the first thing is we're going to set up a cookie banner. Now, to set up a cookie banner, it's actually very simple. You just need to go over here into your settings and then click on website if you're not already there. Then go into cookies and data privacy, and you can click to turn on the cookie banner, and it's going to look something like this. You can customize the banner style if you want. I like the default one, so I'm just going to save it like that. Then click save, and then you're done. You can also go down and select a banner text as well as the manage cookies button, etc. You can also restrict cookies if you turn this off. If you don't want your site to have any cookies, I'm pretty sure that is what that means, except for the essential ones. And yeah, that is how you add the cookie banner, and that is the most important part of this. Now, second, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go into our pages, and here we're going to go over into, well, main navigation or not linked. You can add it to wherever you want. If you add it to your main navigation, it'll show up right over here, but I'm going to make a new page, a blank page in not linked, name it privacy policy. And once you have your empty page, click on edit, click on add section, add a blank section or whichever section you want, then click add block, add text, switch that text over to where you want it. I'll center it in the page. You can make it as wide as you would like and as big as you would like. Then over here, I'll just write some text. For example, this is a privacy policy. I'll scale it up, make it bold. For example, this is just placeholder text. You can do whatever you want with it. Click save, and then you can add the link to this page wherever you want. If you want to link it over here at the top, you can just add it over here so that people can access from the main navigation your privacy policy, or you can keep it not linked and then go over and edit your site footer if you want to. You can click on edit and then go all the way down, edit site footer, and you can edit the section if you want to, or you can add a block and add a link. For example, content link or whatever you want. You can also add text. It really doesn't matter. You can also add an image. You can add whatever you want pretty much. So for example, I'll add a content link, or rather not that. That is not what I wanted. You can add a button. I'll just add that just for the sake of this tutorial. Add it wherever you want. I'll change the text to privacy policy. Click attach link, and then scroll down until you see your privacy policy page, and I cannot scroll down further because this site is this is bugging me very much, but I'll just copy this over into another section, for example here, and then I'll go into link and then scroll down until you see your privacy policy. Then I'll just delete this previous button because this is very the menus you get are very bad. That is one negative thing I can say about Squarespace, but you just add it there, and now you have your privacy policy button on your footer. Click save, and it'll appear on most, if not all, of your pages on your site. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.